guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. Today I'm going to be organizing my pantry. My pantry is a mess. I wanted to show you guys it before, but I forgot. I had already taken most of the stuff out. I'm not gonna put it back in just to take it back out because that's doing way too much. But I am gonna be organizing my pantry because when you guys just see how much stuff, it was just all jam-packed in there and it was not functional at all. So if you guys are interested in this video, be sure to give the video a thumbs up. Also, if you're not subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe. It would help me out a lot. Let's just get right into the video. Okay, so I wanted to show you guys before. I took all of this stuff out of my pantry before, like earlier in the day when I was gonna start organizing it. So I took all of it out just to see what how many containers that I needed. I also have a bunch of different like cereal and pasta here. This container I'm actually gonna repurpose it. It had like a bunch of animal crackers in it, but I'm gonna repurpose it and probably put some like cereal in it. I have a few more other containers that I'm gonna repurpose as well, just so I don't have to buy extra, containers. And this is what we have a pretty nice sized pantry. It's not bad. It's just really messy. This is what it looks like. Just really, really messy. So we definitely need some more functionality up in here. So let's just get right to it. Next day, and I wanted to show you the pantry really quick. I recorded what it looks like last night, but I feel like I sounded so tired, so I wanted to show you guys again, just so I don't sound as tired. So here's the pantry. here is the final look of the pantry of what it looks like, from top to bottom. Here's what it looks like. A major improvement from what it looked like before. I still want to get some containers to put all the cereal in, but we just have so much cereal, and those containers are pretty expensive, so for now this will do. It's not really in the way. On the top shelf I have my cereal back here, or cereal up here, so we just have some cereal. And I wanted to show you, I also repurposed this animal cracker container and put all the Cheerios in there. So I like to repurpose stuff like that. So we just have the rest of our cereal. We have some popcorn, and then this is just some plant-based like protein powder or shakes or whatever. And then here on this shelf, here, that's pasta. I have this old container that I already had, so I wanted to use that as well. Just finding things that I already have, just so it's not as expensive to organize the pantry. This little bin that we got from Dollar Tree, and it has more pasta. I didn't realize how much pasta we had, but we have a lot of pasta. So that's like pretty much long pasta, like spaghetti and Alfredo noodles and that stuff. And then these two glass containers we got from Ikea, and I just wanted to put the pasta in here because I thought it looked pretty, and just to break up like the plastic in here. And then in this bin we just have I just put pasta sauce in there and some apple cider vinegar, pretty much like condiments. There's ketchup, hot sauce, just that stuff there. Pretty much just like what all goes together. Here on this shelf, we got these two wooden crates from Ikea also. Here, this stuff right here, it doesn't really have like I wouldn't say it like goes together, and I don't want to have a separate container for it. So I just put it off in the corner so it's not really in the way. Just some random stuff back there. In this crate, there's flour, there's some like instant drink mix here, like instant coffee mix, and pretty much just flour in this bin. Here we have our bread in this bin. And then here there's some like these, what are these called? They're called greens, and you just put them in your water. And then hot chocolate, and then these little drink pods right there. On this shelf, these two plastic bins from Dollar Tree, they hold pretty much like the breakfast stuff and snacks. These little breakfast things, not breakfast, these little fruit pouches are pretty much for Jordan, because Brayden and Kai don't eat them. But with this, we just have those for Jordan. We have a lot of them, so I needed to put them in a place. So we have those here, and then we have some oatmeal. And then back there, we just have crackers just out of the way. This one is their snacks. So this is actually mine. But we just have snacks. So granola bars, graham crackers, Nutri-Grain bars, just the kid stuff. And I put it here so they can easily grab it. And then over here, just more breakfast stuff, just pancake and waffle mix, and then the syrup. And then on this shelf, I put paper towels. I repurposed this old Tupperware container and just put the potatoes in there. Just regular potatoes and sweet potatoes, rice. In here, I put some onions. I didn't have another container for onions, so I just put those there because I didn't have a lot of them. And then here, I just have the few canned goods that I have. And I wanted to get something to put them in, maybe like a case for cans, or like a plastic bin or whatever. I think they have them at Dollar Tree. They're like for soda, but you can put cans in it. But I don't know. I just need to find something else to put the cans in. And then on the bottom, we just have we have boxes. I saved this box so when we eventually move, I can put my glass bowls in here so they can be protected. This is our cat food in there. This little glass drink container. And then in these bags, they're just like plasticware. So like paper plates, paper cups, plastic utensils, all that kind of stuff. And then for all of the plastic bags that we have, I just put them in this like reusable grocery bag and just put them on there. And then I can easily close the pantry like this. Oh, like that. And then they're out of the way. And yeah, that's our pantry. Not too bad. And everything's organized and easier and more functional for us to use. All right guys, that's it for this pantry organization video. If you enjoyed it, please go ahead and give the video a thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. It would help me out a lot. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.